Hello, so today we're going to be playing with my new Morphe palette, the Floralisse. It is very beautiful, very pink, and that's exactly why I got it. So I am going to be using the colors Avant Garden, the Flash Boom, the Deeply Rooted, and I'll let you know if I use anything else. So first I'm going to put the Flash Bloom, which can be used as a highlighter. I'm going to put it on the highlighty spots of my eyes. I really like the way this looks. I already swatched it, so I kind of knew how it was going to look anyways. Just going to put that in the highlights. Lovely. Lovely. And next I'm going to use the Avant Garden. I'm going to use that on my eyelid. I'm actually going to use my finger for that because I want it to be very pigmented. I really, really love this pink. It's super, super gorgeous. A little sheer, but I really like it still. I like to go both ways. I find it really helps apply the makeup the way I want it to. And just one last on this side. Lovely. So next I'm going to use the color Wildflower. It's very beautiful, like almost like purpley pink. And we are going to just kind of shade in my eye with that. Oh, that's gorgeous. Just bring it in. And then blend it a bit. Lovely. Other side. Might have to pause the video and go give my son another toy. He is off today. But that's okay. We've been cuddling lots, and now Mama wants to take some time to do my makeup. If you want to fill someone else's cup, you gotta fill your own too. Lovely. So we'll just bring this side up a bit more, just to make them match. And really bring it in. Really highlight the shape of my eyes. Really like that. So next I'm going to use the Bramblewood. It's kind of like a metallic version of the color I just used. I'm just going to darken up here and kind of go directly in at my crease. I'm just going to blend that out a bit. Lovely. Other side. And going up the crease. Lovely. And then we'll put a little bit underneath too. Other side. Lovely. Now I'm gonna go and use probably the metallic right here and see if I can get like a little more glittery right on my eyelid. So I'm gonna use my finger and put it right there. That is very beautiful. Other side. And a little bit underneath. I really like that. Now going to take my slanted one and I'm going to dip it in the Deeply Rooted right here and do like kind of like a slight eyeliner look. Nothing too crazy. Just one sec, I'll be right back. And we're back. Settled the baby for the moment anyways. So I'm gonna keep going with the Deeply Rooted and do a really light natural eyeliner, or natural-ish. I really like this palette a lot. Pink is one of my favorite colors to use because I have green eyes, so really makes that noticeable. So I'm just putting it in the corner of my eye. I'm going to bring it up and connect it. Lovely. I'm gonna do like kind of like a little triangle in the corner here. Just like that. Put a little eyeliner on this corner. And now we will do it to the other side. There's the eyeliner finished. And I'm gonna put on my One Size Fantasize mascara. Be right back. There it is with mascara. And to finish off the look, I'm going to use my Artist Couture very sparkly lip gloss. I think it'll look perfect. And that's the look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I really love this palette and the pinks. There it is. Thank you.